Uncle, look how heavy my piggy bank has become. I'm rich now. It took me so much time to fill it up since my last birthday.
Yes, Ravi, this is the result of your patience and hard work. Your karma.
Karma? What do you mean by karma? Last time you told us that dharma is the understanding of right and wrong. What is karma?
Karma is a Sanskrit word that means intentional action by a person. Every action gives results. We do actions because of the freedom to make choices. Remember, Bhagavan has given us the three Shaktis: the power to know, the power to do, and the power to want. So, in any situation, with these three Shaktis, one can either choose to do, not do, or do different things.
Oh, Papa, then can I choose not to study?
You could. When you study, you learn and become really powerful. Do think about whether your choice is based on dharma or adharma. Choose that which is the right thing to do. As a student, dharma encourages you to do the right thing. Always choose good. Dharma makes you happy, always. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna teaches us what is dharma and how to choose our actions, our karma based on this dharma.
But uncle, how is filling my piggy bank similar to karma?
You all play video games, right? In each game, we win points or coins based on how well we play, correct?
Yes, and we can exchange those points for better outfits, shoes, and other nice things.
Right. In our life too, we get awarded points called punya for doing good things. Whenever we choose to do that which is good or right, we gain punya. Bhagavan keeps all our points safe in a huge piggy bank for us.
What happens when we do something wrong or choose a bad action?
Then Papa increases in our karma bank. If you help your friend with his school project, there is a visible result of being helped and also an invisible result called punya. A donkey or any animal is simply programmed. He does action but does not do karma and hence cannot get punya or papa. If it takes your load, it will not get punya, or if it kicks you, it will not even get papa. Being a human is a blessing and only humans can do karma.
Uncle, what is the use of punya?
Punya gets converted to sukha, like energy gets converted to matter. All the good things that you have in your life, like loving parents, good friends, comfortable house, nice teachers, and even chocolate cookies, are because of punya. In a previous lifetime, and even this lifetime, you chose to do many good things, which got converted to punya, and hence the saved points in your karma piggy bank.
So, all that is wonderful about our life is really our punya.
Absolutely. From being able to breathe, see, hear, smell, touch, taste, speak, run, and so much more is all because of our own punya.
Yes! Having you all as my friends and Mama Papa as my parents is my punya.
I can see how punya is like a piggy bank in which all our good karmas are saved.
This also means I have to be very careful in my actions or my karma piggy bank becomes lighter and smaller. But what happens if I have papa in my piggy bank due to my bad or wrong karma?
Every papa makes a hole in our karma piggy bank and adds to the experience of dukkha, sadness. Just like invisible punya is converted into sukha or happiness, the invisible papa gets converted into dukkha, sadness, or pain. This can be in the form of a mosquito bite, or having a fall, having unsupportive parents, being unable to attend school, or having fights with friends, or having illnesses.
Can you please tell us how we can grow our piggy bank of karma?
You need to develop kaushalam in karma.
What is Kaushalam in karma?
It is not just enough to do good actions, but it is also important that you become an expert in choosing and doing good actions. Not once or twice, but again and again. You need to become kushala, which means very skilled. And this can come only by proper understanding of dharma and by practice and hard work.
How can we be kushala, that is effective, every day in our different roles?
Do you remember, Ravi, how every time your parents gave you pocket money, you decided to save most of it in your piggy bank instead of just spending it? Every time you chose to save. It was not easy, but now, after almost a year, you see, your piggy bank is full with which you can buy many more gifts. So tell me, how can you be kushala every day?
Every day as a student, I can study and learn new things. I can practice more in my football and music classes. As a friend, I can play, have fun, and help my friends. As a son, I can listen to my parents and show my love for them. As a brother, I can fight less with my sister.
I am wondering, when does my punya and papa get converted into happiness and sorrow?
We will never know that, Sneha. The chances are good that most of the results of our actions, both punya and papa, we will get in this lifetime itself. But Vedas also clearly tell us that any karma result can appear at any time. It is like, even though we plant an olive seed, a mango seed, and a coconut on the same day, the different seeds take different amounts of time to bear fruits. Similarly, punya and papa can fructify at different points of our lifetime. The Vedas very clearly say that one can never be away from the law of karma of Bhagavan.
Is it possible that a person involved in a bank robbery may not be caught but will definitely not escape the law of karma?
Yes, you got it right.
But how do I benefit from this law of karma?
Good question. Firstly, I should take responsibility for my actions. I should try and focus on good karma, which will increase punya.
Yes, I do my best with the knowledge and power and experience I have and get better at becoming kushala. We trust Bhagavan to bless us.
Well said, Anay. We also appreciate that each of us is a unique combination of the results of our actions, both punya and papa. Yes, this way we can appreciate the law of karma and learn to see Bhagavan in these laws.
Oh, yes, when anyone puts his or her finger in the fire, it definitely burns. It is Bhagwan's law.
Our whole life journey is our papa and punya unfolding every day.
Every moment is a moment to learn, to grow, make friends, and to play. We see that every good experience is a result of my punya karma, and every sad experience is a reminder to do more right actions.
Alright, time for some punya then. Who will have kheer?
Me!